y'all, so can we just stop and acknowledge the skin, because it is giving what it's giving right now. Like, come on. Y'all, so we all done with the dress, right? And I was not gonna tell y'all this. I really wasn't. I was gonna keep this to myself. But your girl, look, let's just say this. Let's just put this out there. I could not get in the dress. And I am currently, if you don't believe me, I'm currently still stuck in the dress. I'm gonna show y'all in 1 second. Just stay tuned and continue watching, okay? Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I know y'all gonna like it already. So today I will be showing y'all how I made this cow neck dress sexy, cute, out of a scarf. Yes, I picked them up at Walmart, y'all. Super cute. So yeah, we're gonna hop right into it. I got these scarves from Walmart, and it was a little while ago. I can't remember how much I paid for them, but I thought this was like a big square scarf, but it was just like a skinny scarf. So I'm glad I did get two. So right now I am facing the right side together, and I am folding it in half. So I'm using this dress because I like the way it fits me. I like the way like it fits my entire body. It fits snug. I wanted this dress to fit snug, but yeah, like I said, it is going to be crazy. But next time I know. I really thought I should have used some pins. Something told me to pin the dress because this dress is silk, and y'all, when I say it was moving all over the place, it was not doing what it was supposed to be doing. But I still got it. But anyways, I am going to measure it out to about 28 inches. Y'all, I am short, so that's actually a good length for me. So we're gonna lay the dress on top, and we're gonna put it on the fold and go ahead and trace. So yeah, right here we're gonna measure 4 inches down. So at the end of the 4 inches that you mark down, then that's where you're going to start tracing the dress. I should have traced a little more wider because this is silk and it does not have no stretch to it. But y'all, this dress was so cute to me. Like, the pattern from the scarf was super cute, and I instantly thought of a silk dress. But oh my god. Yeah, so now we're gonna go in with our scissors and go ahead and cut it out like so. Yeah, so now we cut it out, we're gonna go in with the back one first, and we basically going to go in the corners and trace like a oval like shape, a curve I should say, with our chalk, and then we're gonna put it on the other side and go ahead and cut both of those out. And y'all, literally that's all the cutting that we're gonna do on the back. So we're gonna go ahead and hem up those edges that we just cut, and also we're going to hem up the bottom of the dress, and literally just a ½ inch so we can give it a more cleaner look. So now we're going to line up both of the dress and pin them on each side like this. And then I'm going to go ahead and go to my sewing machine, and we're going to literally sew up each side of the dress. Okay, y'all, so this is an extra piece of fabric. I am going to take two 10-inch pieces, and I am going to cut them, and I need about 1.5 inch wide so that we can make the straps. So I showed y'all 1,000 times how to make the straps, but I'll show y'all again, especially if you're new. Literally you just fold it inside out and thread straight down. And then we use our loop turner to turn it to the right side. Both of the straps are finished, so now it's time to attach them. So we literally going to attach them to each corner, the front and the back. Sis, this dress was literally so easy. I just know next time if I use anything silk and it does not have a stretch to it, I literally have to measure out true to size because it don't stretch. My dress, it don't stretch. This dress, it don't stretch. So y'all, this was literally the last step. I went ahead and did the other one. Now this is the final and finishing look. So sis, I absolutely love this dress. It's absolutely beautiful. It's amazing. Y'all, the pattern is just, I'm just so in love with it. But let me know what y'all think about the dress. This split was not supposed to be here. This dress was literally supposed to be closed, a cow neck dress, but it had other plans for me. I am literally going to still tell y'all the story in 1 second, but I love you guys oh so much. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, hit the bell button to be notified when your girl posts, and here's the story time. Video, but this is the dress. If y'all seen how I put it on, I literally wanted to cry. It hurted. Cause I tried to put it, first I tried to pull it up. It wouldn't go over my hips, y'all. Then I tried to put it on and nobody's home. I'm here by myself. So like y'all, it was a struggle. When I say struggle, it was a struggle. But this is not funny because I really liked this dress and I really wanted to wear it. But I'm not gonna be able to put it back on. Honestly, I'm probably gonna have to cut out of it. But literally I couldn't put it on to like what I made, how I made the dress. It's no way possible I can get it on. But anywho, I tried to pull it over my head, right? And you know how you try to stick one arm in, stick the other arm in. So I'm literally stuck like this for a little minute, and then I had to literally like pull here, pull there. Excuse me. And once I finally got it down, it literally came to here, and I had to cut. So let me show y'all. This split was not supposed to be here. I literally had to cut the dress from all the way from here. As y'all can see, these cannot even connect. Look, like, there's no way. Like, absolutely no way, y'all. So I'm stuck in here. I don't want to cut it, but that's the only way I'm gonna get it off. Like, as you can see, I literally have to, yeah. And I can't pull it up. Like, this is it. I can't. But it's so cute. And then I'm like, maybe if I get out of it, I can give it to somebody, but I don't think nobody's going to be able to get in this dress. But I just wanted to let y'all know that now I have to cut my way out of the dress. I really don't want to, but I'm gonna just try to cut up the side. But I can't wear it, so it really don't matter. I don't even want to try to add more to it because I just feel like it's just gonna be, it's too much. So I'm done. I hope y'all like this video. I actually love this video, besides the fact that I couldn't fit the dress. But anywho, I love you guys oh so much. Don't try to make no dress with no headscarf, because sis, you just gonna have to like literally alter it to your actual size. Like, but follow me on my social medias. Yeah, I'm all over the place just talking, but yeah, follow me on my social medias. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Let me know some outfits and stuff that y'all want me to create. I'm literally about to take my DIYs to the next level, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. But I love you guys, and I'm out. Peace.